Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to generate barcode in an Excel. So we have written a data in the form of serial number, description of items and then numbers. Now we want to generate barcode against these numbers. What we will see, we'll press equal to, we'll press inverted colons, then steric, again inverted colons, we'll press and then we will select this number, then we will press again this one, then steric, then inverted number. Before that we will place another and sign here, then we will click. Now you can see that all the barcodes are generated against the numbers. So to generate these barcodes, we will select code 39, and how to get these code 39, this I will describe in our next video. How to get this font code 39. By default this is not present in our Excel, so follow for next video.